Today we will show you how to install a wash basin and its cabinet. For this purpose, we have chosen products from the City series, a modern wash basin with a geometric shape and a grey oak coloured cabinet with smooth front panels. Begin by checking the set is complete. Also, you will need the correct tools: a drill, a tape measure, a screwdriver, a spirit level and a pencil. First, determine the height at which you will install the cabinet and wash basin. In a typical installation, the upper edge of the wash basin should be 80 to 90 centimeters above the floor, depending on the height of those who will be using it. We will install ours at a height of 85 centimeters. Place the wash basin on the cabinet and measure and mark the location of the points where holes must be made for installation of the wash basin. These should be located 5 centimeters below its rim at a distance of 28 centimeters from the cabinet's axis. Below, mark the points for the holes for the cabinet's installation, in this case 21 centimeters below the rim and at a distance of 56 centimeters from the cabinet's axis. Having determined the place for its installation, mark a horizontal line using the spirit level and with a pencil mark out the drilling points on this line. Drill holes at these points and insert the dowels, then screw in the pins. Now you can install the cabinet. First, screw the installation hooks into the dowels, then hang the wash basin on them. Use the spirit level to make sure the wash basin sits on an even keel. Remember that all wash basins having mounting openings in the back must be affixed to a wall. Direct installation of the wash basin on the cabinet without anchoring it to the wall will result in the set being weak and unstable. Next, hang the cabinet and regulate its height on the hangers. Open or remove the drawer for this purpose. Fill the space between the wall and the wash basin with silicone. Remember that silicone takes 24 hours to set. Finally, check that the cabinet functions properly, the action of its press and open function, and the guide rails. Installation of a cabinet and wash basin is a very simple operation, and if you follow the instructions, no problems should occur. Remember that the most important step is to make the exact measurements and ensure the elements are level. Now you can fill the drawers with the necessary accessories. The large surface area around the wash basin provides plenty of space for the most important items. Remember, both functionality and design form the basis of a modern bathroom.